Hello children, today we are going to learn alphabets, its phonic sound and related words. So let's get started. Children, our learning pattern is first we learn letter, then its phonic sound and last its related three words. Listen carefully and repeat with me. A. Its phonic words. Apple and X. B. Its phonic B. Related words. Ball, bus, banana. C. Its phonic K. Related words. Cat, car, cup. D. Its phonic D. Related words. Dog, duck, drum. E. Its phonic A. Related words. I. Elephant, egg. F. Its phonic F. Related words. Frog, fish, fat. G. Its phonic G. Related words. Goat, girl, grapes. H. Its phonic H. Related words. Hen, hammer, hat. I. Its phonic A. Related words. Ice cream, ink pot, insect. J. Its phonic J. Related words. Jeep, jug, jam. K. Its phonic K. Related words. Key, king, kite. L. Its phonic L. Related words. Lion, lock, lamp. M. Its phonic M. Related words. Mango, monkey, mat. N. Its phonic N. Related words. Nest, net, nib. O. Its phonic O. Related words. Orange, ox, owl. P. Its phonic sound P. Related words. Parrot, pot, peacock. Q. Its phonic K. Related words. Queen, quill, quarter. R. Its phonic R. Related words. Rabbit, ring, rat. S. Its phonic S. Related word. Swan, ship, sunflower. T. Its phonic T. Related words. Tiger, table, tomato. U. Its phonic O. Related words. Umbrella, unicorn, uniform. V. Its phonic V. Related words. Van, vegetables, violin. W. Its phonic V. Related words. Watch, wolf, wireless. X. Its phonic X. Related word. Xmas tree, X-ray, xylophone. Y. It's phonic. Ya, ya. Related words. Yak, yarn, yat. Z. It's phonic. Z, z. Related words. Zebra, zip, zoo. Hope you like the video. See again and again this video and enjoy. Bye bye.